All right, good morning, everybody. I'm the Joint Terrorism Task Force Supervisor, Aaron Trujillo. This will be an executive summary, which will pertain to the Solidarity rally which took place and the suspicious activities surrounding it. All right, this is a summary for the FBI senior leadership, the intelligence community, local, state, and federal law enforcement agencies, the Washington Metropolitan Area Transit Authority General Manager, the Washington, D.C. Emergency Management Agency, and D.C. Fire Department officials. All right, this comes on the heels of the Washington Metropolitan Transit System killing of 67 and injuring 118 and threats against the Jewish community. The intent of the briefing is to inform stakeholders of the developing events and potential response options. All right, moving right along. In the Foggy Bottom area of Washington, D.C., this JTTF composed a security plan that covered multifaceted situations which accounted for threats and vulnerabilities of potential targets. This solidarity rally was organized by the Jewish Association of Washington, D.C. The location for the rally was the International Monetary Fund at 719th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. 20431. And there were peaceful protesters for pro-Palestine, which had the possibility of turning contentious. The Metropolitan Police Department, in collaboration with George Washington Police Department and the Metro Transit Police Department, were all attending the event, mainly supervised by the MPD. Safety for all is the mission statement put forth, and all participating parties did their respective roles outlined in the security plan without limits. All right, the risk of harm to citizens and foregoers is highly possible given the recent bombings and shooting in the Metro Transit system. Other threats involved pro-Palestine protesters as well as white supremacists and some marginal anti-Semite groups. This event may have the possibility, had the possibility of becoming quarrelsome. All right, briefing about the suspicious activity. Suspicious activity number 1. The rally started peaceful, but in less than 10 minutes multiple Metro users reported a suspicious man traveling from Reston Metro Station towards Foggy Bottom. All right, his description: he was seen with a bulky black hockey-type bag and seemed very agitated. All right, suspicious activity number 2. CCTV network from the Metro Transit and George Washington Hospital had detected the suspicious man previously described exiting at the Foggy Bottom Metro Station and walking on 23rd Street in the direction of the rally. He was still transporting the black bag. Same guy. He was described as a Caucasian male aged 20 to 30 years old, bald with facial tattoos. He was described as slender, wearing jeans and a black t-shirt. All right, shortly after the event, or during the event, there was good communication between several agencies and the public. And the MPD reported that the suspect was apprehended. All right, the suspect is known as James Roswell, 24. He is known to have mental health issues and was a member of the Nazi group established in Southern Virginia. In his bag, he was transporting several AR-15s and more than 2,000 rounds of ammunition, which were already loaded in the clip magazines of the guns. He has no link to ISIS, as we could tell so far, but is considered a copycat from previous attacks. Using fine police work, CCTV, and alerts, the suspect was identified and stopped. All right, if you have any questions, please stay after and we'll get to them accordingly. Stay safe. Have a great day.